Today is July 20. We're pressing the black color for pieces style. Each piece is just being pressed. You can see. We have the curves over here pressing the garment. We can see how they look. This is after press. This is before pressing. You see all these pieces. Let me turn it over. Obviously, on the side seam of the garment we have some press. This is after press. Before. This is after press. You want to take a look how they press it. Have to press the collar, the sleeve. Have to do one by one piece and press it. All the seams, we gotta be careful because we don't want it shiny. This kind of color, if we press it by involvement, will be shine, so we have to give this touch to them to make it look beautiful. That's the way how we fix the garment. We arrange the color. We give it a touch, and that's the final presentation. Okay. Only this black color is the only one we don't do the Hoffman because we don't want it shiny. Over here, this other color. You can see also we have this problem in the side seam, in the color too. The other pieces, that's another color, that's the pieces are coming to press, and this is the rest.